Hi, tutor. My name is Juan Pablo Merchan. I'm studying agroforestry engineering at the National Open and Distance University, UNAD. Well, I 26 years old and I'm from in Sogamoso in Boyacá developed. Well, for this job, I was asked to make a video and attend meetings. The later, for work reasons, I cannot attend the SST sessions showed during the course for work reasons. Before I start the presentation, I want to apologize for sending the current document late. Now let's start with the slides. Well, this is the job presentation. This slides. You can see that. Well, this is the portrait. Okay, this is the table of contents with the introductions, general of the objectives, specific objectives, my goals, conclusions, and bibliographic reference. Okay, the introduction. This is where I am going to show some of the goals and objectives that I have for the future to be able to develop as a person, using English properly, how to give a good pronunciation. Okay, next. Um, ah, the objectives. The general objective is make some adequate in pronunciation and exposition in English, and specific. Set goals that you can achieve. Have a correct pronunciation of the English language. Make appropriate use of what has been learning during the English course B2. Okay, let's get started. My goal one, graduate in agroforestry engineering. Okay, graduate. I will graduate as agroforestry engineering so that I can and grow up my life as a professional. Very well. With respect to my professional life, I hope that with my degree in agroforestry engineering, new doors will open for me to develop professionally and personally to have the financial means for my next goals, which are for example, my second goal, Lorem is, sorry, is this. I will build my house. I will concentrate on my work to be able to save that, and thus I will build my house with my cultivation and agricultural project. In this part, I am I'm going to build the house um, with what I hear as an engineer. I also want the house to be in the country because in that environment you can grow up many plants and have animals. If we manage to rebuild the countryside, we will have resource, the creation of food security, and we will have better. This is my 30 goal. Okay, is that forward the progress of the field. Well, I say that. Okay, for that, this is very important since our country has a great potential in the way that the fields becomes a profitable and secure activity for the livelihood of many families in the national territory. Okay. Um, in addition, you can create opportunities in the food sector with the export or of food products to other to other parts of the world. Okay, this is the conclusions. Okay, proper use English is crucial today, since with globalization in this increasingly important to use another language, but not only know how to write it, but also to be able to interpret and speak it properly. Okay, this is my presentation. This is all. The bibliographic reference. This Grobovniv's if Cloudes, objeto virtual de información, repositorio de la Universidad Nacional UNAD. Y el módulo 10, inversión con adverbios negativos. Como ya se había observado antes, ya sé en el desarrollo de los módulos 9, 10, 11 y 12 del libro electrónico. Okay, this is all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Okay, thanks for your attention, tutor. Bye bye.